Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be a wig review. Yes, we are going to be reviewing this wig that I currently have on, and she is a bad. Like, to me this is like Beyonce type bad. To me, just the color itself reminds me of Beyonce, and that's why I kind of wanted to get it, because I did want to like a honey caramel blonde type golden bronze situation going on for the summer, or us leading up to the summer. But without further ado, let's jump straight into this video.
Next level. Next level.
So this wig here I got from a website called, let's see, the website is called sogoodbb.com. how did I come across this website? I came across this website because I was on Instagram, and to be honest, I don't know how I came across it, but I was on YouTube searching Bobbi Boss's wigs, and I came across their website, and they always have a sale going on. So I was like, you know what, let me just purchase a wig from them. So that's what I did. So I purchased this synthetic wig. It is a Bobbi Boss synthetic deep part Swiss lace front wig, and this is in the style Rina. This is her stock card. So this is all of her details. The style is in MLF 208 Rina, and my color is TT1B 2730. So I believe the 1B are my roots, and then the 2730 is the rest of the hair. She comes in so many different types of colors, all types of colors. This, hey, can mommy work, please? Shh, let mommy finish. But like I was saying, she comes in so many different types of colors. So if this isn't your style, there's black, there's browns, there's blondes. I even believe there's like a burgundy, blue, green. But I wanted something that I could actually wear to work, and this I could wear to work, and it's like perfect for the springtime right now. I purchased this for $33.94. I do believe when I bought it, she was on sale. And after shipping, she came up to be $37.82. I purchased her probably like on a Tuesday, and then I got her, when did I get her? I think I bought her on a Tuesday, and I probably got her Friday. She came super fast. She came from Atlanta. I live in Florida, so we're super close to each other. But y'all, this wig I love, like love. She's so pretty. She feels super lightweight. She's not heavy. The structure of the wig cap itself, I personally think I have a big head, especially with all the hair that's on top of my head when it's braided down. I'm not the best at braiding, so even when I do have to braid it down, it makes my head bigger, and I think she's big head friendly. The only thing that I probably did not like about the wig is that my part, I think she was a little bit too thick for my liking. So I did just pull a little bit of hairs out, not too many because I didn't want to have a super wide part. But she is so cute. I cannot wait to wear her out in the streets and take a picture in her. And I just feel like this color goes so great with my complexion. Yes, honey. She does have clips. She has 3 different clips. I don't have them clipped down. She fits on my head so snug. I don't have any glue on, no nothing. I also did create a little bit of baby hairs on the sides just to make her look a little bit more natural, as you can see. But she did come with a little bit of baby hairs, but when I was cutting off the extra lace, I kind of took some of the baby hairs off, so I did have to create a little bit more. But other than that, I'm obsessed with this hair. I'm not going to talk too much because you can just see how cute and bomb she is. Like, just everything about her, she like comes to the perfect length. I'm pretty tall, and she comes to above my boobies. I just think she's cute. Like, she'll be cute to wear for like a beach day, hanging out at the pool with your girls. She's just real cute. Day party vibes. Like, the blend of the color is so perfect. This is my first Bobbi Boss wig, and this is not going to be my last. I cannot wait to continue to review more wigs for you guys. I am currently obsessed with synthetic wigs, so there's going to be so much more to come. Once again, I got this wig from SoGoodBB.com. I'll leave all the information down below, especially with the link to this specific wig as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.